Hey everyone, it's Tom Karadza with another Rockstar Minute, and we got this really interesting question yesterday from one of the members that we work with, and the question was, if there is a real, okay, this is a scary topic before I give you the question, but we might as well all discuss it. They said if there is some kind of financial crazy collapse that goes on, what happens to properties? Like, do they go down in value, and why should I own real estate? And if there is a financial reset, or if there's a change in the money system that goes on at some point in the future, and I know this is like a ridiculously scary topic, but just let's have this hypothetical discussion, all right? If that happens, I don't think anyone can say for certain what exactly the path for your real estate properties is going to be, but we can tell you from our own experiences and watching some of what happened to our family in Yugoslavia in the early 1990s when they kind of went through this hyperinflation phase, that ultimately, when problems happen with a currency, if you're holding cash in the bank or cash under your mattress or wherever you're holding cash, it can go down in value and almost become kind of worthless. But when you own productive assets like an income-producing piece of investment property, the value of it might change. It might go way up in value. Then if there's a financial reset and a new currency structure comes in, it might come down to a different value. But it ultimately holds its value much better, and it might be represented in a different currency after this situation is over than if you're just holding cash, which kind of goes down in value and really doesn't hold its value. So in those kinds of circumstances, if there's kind of a change in the money system, it's our opinion, and we are not trained economists, we've never been through this personally ourselves, but it's our opinion that you want to hold productive assets instead of holding all your money just in straight cash, because the productive assets over here ultimately hold their value, and they might be represented in a different currency after this financial reset happens, but they're going to represent some value and hold some value for us. And that's our opinion on that. There might be a couple of years where it's a little bit crazy and maybe you can't sell it, can't get financing on it, can't get lines of credit on it, but it ultimately holds its value and protects your net worth, and that's why we like them so much. Hopefully you find that useful. Until next time, your life, your terms.